We have a third request coming in from Kim Murphy Cohn, and she would like to know how to say "I love you." Um, well, there's a few ways of expressing love in Irish. Like if you have a love of things or doing things, the way to say it would be "Is briolum." Okay, "Is briolum," I love. Um, "Is briolum" in Hampshire in Montana. I love the weather in Montana. "Is briolum" on Laois, I love the stays. Briolum and Lowershin, I love that book. Now to love you, talking about, having affection, would be grow, so I love you, if, as we would say in English. Quite simply would be groim to. The verb is groig, groim to. What I like about the way to say to love somebody, the most common way of using it is use the verb tuer and grow, which is to give. To hug me grow, though I loved, I gave love to. So there's this idea of giving, which basically is the essence of love anyways, to give. You give love to somebody, the lover gives love to the beloved, you know. So anyway, the simple way of saying it is groim to. Grow being the Irish, the noun love. And then for love of things and so forth. Like in English we use love all over the place, but it's briolum. I hope I've answered that satisfactorily and I haven't gone into too much of a rigmarole. But anyway, there you have it.